First, gather all the ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of tuna, drained, 12 ounces of egg noodles, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, a cup of sour cream, a cup of milk, a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a cup of frozen peas, a small onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a cup of crushed potato chips or Ritz crackers. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. Start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating up, cook the noodles according to the package instructions until they are al dente, then drain them. Once the noodles are cooked, it's time to get mixing. In a large bowl, combine the cooked noodles, drained tuna, cream of mushroom soup, sour cream, milk, cheddar cheese, peas, and chopped onion. Season this mixture with salt and pepper to taste. While the noodle mixture is set aside, melt butter in a small pan over medium heat and sauté the onion until it's translucent. This sautéed onion then goes into the noodle mixture. Stir everything together until it's well mixed. Next, transfer this mixture to a greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish. For a crispy topping, sprinkle on some crushed chips or crackers. Now it's time for the oven. Bake the casserole in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the casserole is bubbly and the top is golden brown. During last few minutes of baking, you might want to indulge by adding more cheese on top of the casserole. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.